I have dedicated my career to ensuring that the words engraved on the front of the Supreme Court building, "Equal justice under law," are a reality and not just an ideal.
A historic day on Capitol Hill on Monday. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson in the hot seat as her confirmation hearings get underway in the Senate. And here is a live look at the U.S. Capitol this morning, where those hearings will continue today. If confirmed, Judge Brown Jackson, well, she could be the first African-American woman to serve on the nation's highest court. But the judge, who grew up right here in South Florida and was handpicked by President Biden, faces several tough days of questioning ahead.
Our D.C. Bureau Chief Ben Kennedy covering it all from Washington.
Good morning. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is one step closer to the nation's highest court, as later today she'll face lawmakers again, this time for Q&A.
My nomination
To the nation's highest court as Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson faced lawmakers during day one of her confirmation hearing.
I commit to you that I will work productively to support and defend the Constitution.
Jackson grew up in South Florida and thanked her mom and dad, who traveled from Miami to be at one of the most important moments of her career.
My parents taught me that unlike the many barriers that they had had to face growing up, my path was clearer.
South Florida Representative Frederica Wilson tweeted, "What a privilege it is to witness history," as if confirmed, Jackson would be the first black woman on the Supreme Court.
You, Judge Jackson, are one of Mr. Lincoln's living witnesses of an America that is unafraid of challenge, willing to risk change.
Jackson is considered the most heavily vetted Supreme Court nominee in 30 years.
Heck, you were confirmed by the Senate in a bipartisan manner 3 times.
The most recent for the D.C. Court of Appeals. President Biden wants bipartisan support for his pick to succeed Justice Stephen Breyer, who is stepping down at the end of his term.
I'll be looking to see whether Judge Jackson is committed to the Constitution as originally understood.
She'll now be grilled by the Senate Judiciary Committee for 2 days in an effort for lawmakers to ask questions about her time on the bench.
I have been a judge for nearly a decade now, and I take that responsibility and my duty to be independent very seriously.
Democrats have the votes to confirm Jackson, but again, they want bipartisan support like she got on her 3 previous confirmation hearings. In Washington, D.C., Ben Kennedy, Local 10 News.